Today we are start off the vlog in our 7-Eleven. You know what I mean? Them a look at me weird, but I'm not going to cut it, I'm not going to stop vlog. Them going to kick me out, them going to run me out. Because we run the ground. A joke. If they say something to me, I have to come out here. Boy, Jason in here buy glizzy. Nobody hide it now. Let me show you where David buy 16 pieces of chicken. Watch out.
I think that's higher power, so low power.
That's crazy.
Chicken pan stick.
Chicken pan stick. Yo, I go buy them, I do you know, I just a waste. I buy one of them, yeah. And one of them. You don't call them pizza, it tastes like Jamaica pizza, straight here. Oh, yeah, I forgot to you tell you. Glizzy, the man come and work, come buy, you know. Not one, but two glizzy. The man. Rasta, no, if you eat glizzy, you know, dog. It's against your religion, and if just see him do this in Kangazayan, you know. I take out mine and go cash you out there. This look good, I'm not telling a lie. I'm not telling a lie, I buy one. Wow. Come on, I'm going to need a beverage now. Alright. Can't left it there so you know, I have to walk with it. See it around here so you know? I don't know if I...
Go McDonald's, go full up.
Probably just grab a... I say buy one of them and go McDonald's go full up. And mommy, I look a regular beverage. See them there around there? Only for them around them. Probably get a regular beverage. Them they're too sweet, dog. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. We wait too much thing.
3 for 5. 6 for 5.
6 for 5? What 6 for 5?
I don't understand what's this.
I don't understand none of them neither.
Should have all that?
Yeah. No, you know, see this is mini tacos. Yeah. Right there, so. And this is spicy Jamaican beef patty. I know them. I don't know David at all. Potato wedge that. You know, see none of the price for that.
So what's it for the wings? Someone buys how much?
Traditional wings, $6 for 5. Boneless. Man, you are eating food already. That's what face. The boy OJ run us a bit juice. You never go cash out and come out here. Man, the man have on gloves like he well spicy.
Tastes good?
You know taste good though?
It's alright, but it's not the best. Just like
Use goop. You wash your hand?
Wash mine?
You wash your hand? Jason wash your hand. That's why I use the gloves. You should have take 2 gloves them, you know. Yo, mind you, that show that. Yo, what you want my rat pan stick? Wow. No, lie, look good still. So no we have to go to McDonald's. Yo, him just sit down up and watch him. Where am I do so high? Look there. Go ground there. And look where him there. Oh, him attack. I know me attack to a dog back away, Ras. We are trying to look for 2 posts and can't find them. Just in the way down there, so. Be a bicycle around here. If you need bicycle, I go drop a location and you just go get a bicycle. I don't know if they sell, if they're free, I don't know if I go thief them, but I tell you no which part bicycle them there. Be a food I cook around here. What's up, man?
Hi.
Hello. Junction this. Miracle Lily Wall. Feel like a Chinatown me I go. Yes, this is one I pull them. And next one the way down so. This one no I pull them. Yo. I tell you things we have to do for the job, yeah. And places we have to go in up. Rotted all. I feel like a China me there. See more bicycle there, so who want it? Oh, the money ain't fine around here, so dog. Rotted. tomato. This is a pantry. You have no want tomato sauce and then something like come around and so. Fuck. Boy, what you find around here?
Ask David, come there, come on here.
If he say I go market has no access, so I need to go. Yo. How you find around here?
Oh, Jim.
Yeah, kid. Cacao. Oh, yeah. Yo, around here, so smell like goated super cook.
Smell like a steal of cook.
Another big old pot of cooking. You know? Smell like you just kill a goat, man. The woman gave David the cake, but David just have been nice and take a cake. This man you find here in here already.
White girl here in a cake.
Now focus, bro. No, lie, smell good still, but
But look here.
smell good, you're afraid.
White, no white here, this or that.
Me nah eat this.
I first thing this one me up neat, me see the white here.
We take it from her just to be nice because she rush you and give it, but nobody nah eat it.
She was like, oh, it's St. Patrick's Day tomorrow.
Yeah, St. Patrick's Day, so yeah.
I asked 2 hours say, yo, listen. When I want St. Patrick's Day, none of my men could have said no for make me just get to buy out the argument.
But once you see me and famous gone.
He wants to cut. What we have bill and wait for the woman for wait for.
She looking at me, yeah.
I talk about St. Patrick's Day. You should have run the woman and tell her say you know want a little frownsy cake. Joke man, a good way you do still take it from her and you know? Just I hold this around this. I zoom in on her. Watch out, watch. I don't know why every time I find a post, 2 chairs off of this side of it. Where they go up in a bush, up in one bush and find a post. 2 chairs that side of it, I don't know why. Every day, way down there, so what am I do? Where you go for? I go cut down things down there. I go cut down people in tree. Highway side with the pan, highway at work, bridge. Look out that bridge. Now if I bring my vlog people them, I make them show us, make them see sceneries, you know. My J's. Sorry for calling the vlog people. Where is my manners? Where? No, we don't deal with manners. Where is my manners? Don't you also look like you could have found any crackhead up on here? Yo. No trespassing. Can't go over there. Can't go over there. No trespassing. How many do you want to go over there, you know? You look like one lit beach, dog. Wow. 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 This is beautiful. Oh, bicycle lane this too. Wow. Wow. Yo, this not hen, you know, people. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. I like this. I wouldn't mind getting one of those condos, innit? I would live right there. I would definitely live right there. Whoa. This is breathtaking, innit? I feel like I'm in England a little bit. Literally. Look at those birds. I love them. Wow, grass. I haven't seen grass in years. Wow. Beautiful. Spectacular, remarkable. Wow. I feel like I'm in Florida. No one knows New York have beat. Well, Long Island today now still. Long Island, New York. No one knows say. How we all say? I go mark the location. You know? Dog, me a fall back over here in the summer, you know? Me a forward here saying in the summer, dog. No, reach back the hotel there in the hotel, you know, just while I fresh. Yo, me say me soaking in hot water like while me hide them the red. I should have seen me hide them like while. Soaking in some hot water just while I fresh. Me go do some cooking. I make some ackee and saltfish and white rice. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna show it in a vlog though. I'm not gonna show it in a vlog. Well, we'll probably show clips. I'm not gonna show the whole process or the cooking video or probably the food or nothing. I'm not sure. Because I'm gonna post it to Instagram. It's gonna be a 1 pot one burner series. And the cooking video I probably post it Monday to Instagram. So you know what I mean? Link on the back.